car set up a piece there. Piece of Alright, so here we have one of 4 ramps that we're going to put the hydraulic lift for the forklift. So this is one. Here you have 2. That's 1. This is 2. And this is the 3rd one. And here you have the 4th one. So all are down there, down at the bottom section. We're going to get it clean out and get the sub base compact, set in with steel and a rebar wire and pour concrete. So the back of the trucks will back up onto that part, and then now on top of here now we're gonna raise the walls and get the, we have some steelwork frame supposed to go, some 4x4 angle iron that's supposed to go in on the top. So we're just going to get them boxed up, finished cast, and then we have the top part of this slab here, so pour, where in which now this ramp would finish. So here on top of the ramp, so this is where the forklift is going to be entered from. So here you have the 4 ramps. This is a better view, right? This is a better view. So here you have the 4 ramps for the hydraulic. Then on top here, so now we're going to get the forklift to drive, entering from this section here. So we're able to get this part out of the way. So for today, we're going to pull off the farms on the outside here. Going to pull off these farms on the outside and get them put on the inside, box up those steel, prepare for get concrete cast either by the end of the day or come tomorrow. After that now we're going to pull down, get the sub base up top there, so sort it out, compact, steel up, put in the rebar wires and everything, and then that's another day for pouring. So this is what we have. One of the project, then we just completed a similar ramp to this, a forklift heist over on the other side. So here you have the inside view of the warehouse. This is a fully warehouse. Here you have the electricians putting in the lights and for the sprinklers and all of those, whatever it is that they are doing.